transform the look of your home by making one simple change: your garage door. At Doors Direct, we have different garage door styles to fit your home. We have a variety of garage doors and screen doors that will transform your garage into a new living space. Take advantage of our Central Florida special offer and check out our grand selection of roll-up doors, commercial doors, and slat doors for your business or home. With the biggest selection of brands at the best prices, let Direct Garage Doors help you select the right garage door to enhance your home style.